We have just launched at John Pennekamp State Park, and we're going to be snorkeling the upper keys today. Our check-in time at Marathon is not until 4 o'clock, and we got down here super early, so we decided to go over here to Key Largo, and snorkel the Christ Abyss and all that good stuff up here. So good way, you got a late check-in like we do, stop at Key Largo, snorkel the upper keys first. This is really probably the best snorkeling is in the upper keys, and then after that go down to your condo if it's in Amarado, Marathon, Key West, wherever it's at. But this is just a good stop on the way down, so we're going to start heading that way. And we've got a big boat. It looks like they want to kind of go first. All right, we're going to let this big boat go first right here. So you can also get on a tour right here if you don't have your own boat. You can get on a tour in the Pennekamp State Park, little catamaran. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start heading through the mangroves and head on our way out. So we are at the first spot, about to get in the water. Riley, you ready to go snorkeling and see those fish? Bryce, you ready to see those fish? All right, so we're gonna get in the water and see how pretty it is. A lot of people out here today. Braylee's already in the water, waiting for us. She's gonna hold Riley's hand and I'm gonna hold Bryce's hand. And Shannon's gonna watch the boat and make sure it doesn't come untied. When traveling down to the Keys, we like to make our first stop at John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park. With it being located in the first key, Key Largo, it makes it a wonderful spot to stop at while we are awaiting to check into our condo. Typical check-in time ranges between 4 and 5 p.m. So we take advantage of this time to explore the reef by snorkeling the vibrant underwater world. If you don't have a boat, no worries. You can rent a kayak to explore the mangrove forest and the shallow waters of the park's backcountry. It's a great way to observe the diverse ecosystem and spot wildlife such as birds, fish, and maybe even manatees. Don't want a kayak? You can also sign up for a boat tour to explore the waters surrounding the park. These tours typically take you to nearby reefs and provide opportunities for snorkeling and diving. I really hope you guys enjoy this episode, and I'll see you on the water.